Going to the moon. Going to the moon for you. Going to the moon. And I see spaceships and rockets. Hey, what's up, y'all? Let me tell you why I'm turned up to the max right now. Let me tell you. Let me show you. I can show you better than I can tell you. Yes, I can. I can show you better than I can tell you. I got the iPhone XS Max. Now, it's not a real phone. It's a dummy phone, but I got it in my hand, and it's just like the real thing, but it's a dummy. I'm gonna show you. I got cases, y'all. I got cases. iBlason blessed your boy again with some cases. I got some cases and I got the demo. And I'm going to show you these cases because these might be some good options for you. They would be some good options for me. If I was getting the phone, I ain't going to get the phone because I got the X. I don't think I need this. But let me tell you a little bit something about this. I ain't going to get too much into this. I ain't going to do the review. I'm just going to tell you about the phone. This phone right here, and I thought it was a lot larger than the 8. The 8 Plus. What you talking about over there? Yeah. I thought this was a lot larger than the 8 Plus, but it's not. The body is the same size. It's just the screen is larger because there's no bezel. The screen is larger, so it's the same size, y'all. So if you have the 8 Plus, don't think like you're going to get a phablet if you get the XS Max. No, you're not. You're going to get the same size phone with a larger screen. And it feels good. And you're going to have all the bells and whistles. You can do the animojis. You can do all the other stuff, the AR stuff that the 8 doesn't do. The 8 Plus does not do. Okay? So this right here, bam, is a good addition if you want it. Now, if you do get it, I got cases. I got cases. And I'm going to give you a closer look. I know you can't really see it, you know, up close and personal right here. But I'm going to give you a closer look. But let's run through these real quick. Now, this is the Unicorn Beetle Pro Supcase bumper, black bumper, TPU. It's kind of thin, but it does have reinforcement around the edges, so it is good. And also, this does support wireless charging, so it's not too thick. You can wirelessly charge. Put this in here and show y'all. Bam, huh? Bam. Dang, Gina. Now, I got another case for you. Now, this is the Clayco Xenon. I showed you guys this one with the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. I do have that one. Actually, I think I still have that in here somewhere. Yeah, I think it's over there somewhere. Anyway, this is, and like I said, I'm going to show you this up close and personal, but we're just going to get through this real quick. This is just the introduction. Just the introduction. This is the Clayco Xenon. Alright, but this one, check this out, guys. This one has the built-in screen protector. So you gotta take it out like this. Boom, built-in screen protector. So you don't have to spend money on an extra screen protector. You can save money. And this is a flimsy TPU. It didn't really say if this one was wirelessly charging compatible. Did I say that right? I don't know if it's compatible for wireless charging, but I think it is because it's not thick at all. This is more like a sleeve. So if you want good protection, because the edges are reinforced, and you have this, so the phone will snap into this, and then you put it into this, right? So it's good reinforcement, and it's a sleeve. It feels good. I would choose this because I don't like bulk. Moving on, Clayco. Put that to the side. Now, we got the big boy monster here. This one is the Unicorn Beetle Pro full armor case with clip. This is a monster. I would never use this, but somebody would. This is more like the big old otter boxes. But when you take it out of the clip, honestly, it's not that big. And it does have a built-in screen protector. Very durable, very, very durable. This is that body armor type stuff here. Yes, indeed. This is thick as a mug. Alright, so same thing as the Clayco, as you can see. But I'm going to take you over to my workstation, and I'm going to show you this up close and personal so you can get your eyes real close up on it so you can decide if you want to buy this. So you can get these on iBlason.com, and I do believe you can get them on Amazon, but the links are below. So you go down there and figure out which links you're going to click on and get this. Oh, and let me not forget to tell you that this right here, my friends, it's thick. You see this? It's thick. But it is compatible for wireless charging. So that Clayco one, it has to be compatible with wireless charging. Has to be, because this is super thick. And I do believe this has, let me see. Oh, this has the kickstand. Bam. But like I said, we're going to go over to my little workstation, and I'm going to show you guys what this is all about. Let's get into these cases real quick. Let me give you a closer look. I don't want to get that glare on. This is the Clayco Xenon. You can see it's a sleeve. Has a screen protector built in. I showed you can take it off from the side here. Just give you a real quick look. I know you've seen cases before. And this is the bumper. So this is a clear TPU. Like I said, this one is compatible with wireless charging. You got the reinforced corners. You know, just a real quick look. Check that out right there. Real quick look. And then you got the dummy phone. This is that big boy, full body armor. Take this out of the case. I'm gonna break it. Oh, here we go. Let me take it out. So just a little bit thicker. You can see that. It's a little bit thicker. Not too much, not too bad. But it is durable. Has a kickstand on it. Fill this thing up. This one has a kickstand so you can watch your flicks. Pretty cool. And it supports wireless charging. Built-in screen protector. Let me take it around in a circle for you. Beep, 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 beep. See? Yeah, that's the side. And then we got the dummy phone. It's real shiny. Holds a lot of fingerprints. And as you can see, it's no bigger than the iPhone 8 Plus. It's just a screen that is larger. Of course, the guts are... There's a lot going on with the guts, so it's a better phone, of course. Processor's faster. But yeah, there you go. Take your pick. Which one do you want? Links are below. This is another one from your boy, KoolKard. Don't forget to subscribe, y'all. Don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the notification buttons when you know I'm coming back on here. And hit the thumbs up if you like this. Going to the moon. I'm out, y'all. Going to the moon for you. Going to the moon. And I see spaceships and rockets. Gold heart-shaped lockets. I'm the plug in the socket. Girl, you know you got me.